Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can hide the header and the footer on any page on your Squarespace website, and we'll also talk about the reasons why you might want to do this on certain pages on your website. If you haven't already got a copy of my Squarespace website checklist, be sure to grab your copy today. I'll leave a link to it in the description box below. It's completely free to download, and if you're building a website on Squarespace, it goes through all the back-end steps that you need to do before you launch. So the header on your website is this section right at the very top here. It usually has your logo or a website title, some navigation links, and then a call to action. If you have a shop on your website, you might have a shopping cart as well. And the footer is what appears at the very bottom of your website. So the footer on this website is here, and it usually acts as a secondary navigation. So there's usually links to the various pages. You might have some social media icons and maybe a site title or a logo down here as well. Now, the header and the footer are great for the majority of pages on your website because they allow your site visitors to navigate through your website, to click on various pages, find out more about what you do, what you offer, and how people can get in touch with you and work with you. However, there are certain pages on your website where you might not want to have your header and a footer because they act as a distraction. So some examples of those pages might be sales pages or landing pages where once people click on it, what you really want them to do is then buy your product or service or download your lead magnet. You really want to encourage them to do that. And having a navigation menu sat at the top or in your footer at the bottom will encourage them to click away from the sales page. So they might not take the action that you want them to take. So those are good examples of pages that you may want to hide your header and footer. Another example might be is if you're building a new website or you're giving a website a complete makeover, you might just want to put up a simple page that says coming soon. Maybe there's an opportunity for people to add their email address to sign up to your emailer list, but you don't want people clicking around on various pages that perhaps haven't been built out fully yet. You don't want them to see what you're doing behind the scenes or look at half-built pages. And then another example is an Instagram link in bio page, and that's the example I'm going to show you today. So I've just built an Instagram link in bio page for this demo website here, and to navigate over to it, I'm going to click on pages just over here in the left hand panel, and here it is. This is my link in bio page. If you want to see how I built this out, I've got another video to show you, so I'll link that in the description box below so you can watch how I've actually built out this link in bio page. But this is a landing page that I've created, and all it has is a few links to help people get around my website and then a couple of blog posts. And the whole purpose of this page is to act as a landing page for my Instagram link in bio. It is essentially a navigation menu in itself, and so it doesn't need to have a header or a footer. So I want to hide those. So to do that, I'm just going to click on the cog icon that appears next to the page that I want to hide it for. So here I am with all the backend settings for this page, and I just want to go over to navigation. And here I have two toggles to either show the header or show the footer, and I'm going to toggle them both off. Show header, no thank you. Show footer, no thank you. And I'm going to click save. And now you can see the header has disappeared from my link in bio page, and the footer has also disappeared from my link in bio page, and it is that easy to switch off your header and your footer. So that's how you can hide your header and your footer on certain pages on your website. There's a link to my Squarespace website checklist in the description box below. Be sure to grab your copy of that today. And if you found this video helpful, please remember to give it a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any further Squarespace tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and I wish you all the best with your website.